Look, up in the sky.
Why?
Hey there, SooprKIDS, and welcome to SooprKIDS, your #1 source for youth fitness and wellness. TJ here as your animal personal trainer to help educate you a little bit about your respiratory system. First, let's put our hands on our chest here and take in a deep breath. And exhale. Congratulations, boys and girls. You just felt the power of your respiratory system. Simply put, boys and girls, your respiratory system is made up of the organs inside your body that help you breathe. And without your respiratory system, boys and girls, we would not live. Okay, boys and girls, let's take a close look at where your respiratory system actually is inside your body and how it does what it does, guys.
Jeez. Well, boys and girls, your respiratory system's primary job is to bring air into the body and remove carbon dioxide, which is a gas that your body naturally produces. And there are 3 super important body parts that make up your respiratory system. They are your nose, trachea, and your lungs. See, when you breathe in, air enters your nose or mouth and goes down a long tube called the trachea, or sometimes referred to as your windpipe. The trachea branches into 2 bronchial tubes, also called the primary bronchi. And it's the primary bronchi that's the direct pathway to your lungs. Your lungs are one of the largest organs in your body and are the main organs of the respiratory system. This is where oxygen is taken into the body when you inhale, while carbon dioxide is released out of your mouth when you exhale. How this gas exchange happens is, the primary bronchi branch off into even smaller bronchial tubes, which are called the bronchioles. The bronchioles end at the alveoli, also known as your air sacs. From here, oxygen follows this path and passes through the walls of the air sacs and blood vessels, and finally enters your bloodstream. Here, your red blood cells take full command and have 2 super important tasks. The first is to pick up the oxygen in the lungs and carry it to all the cells in the body that need it. The second task is to pick up the carbon dioxide that's produced by your cells after they use the oxygen that's given to them. Once the red blood cells picks up the carbon dioxide, they transport it right back to the lungs for you to breathe it out of your body when you exhale. It's important to know that surrounding the lungs is your rib cage, which is made up of 12 sets of ribs and are connected to the spine in your back. Its primary purpose is to help keep your lungs safe while breathing. Also, boys and girls, directly beneath your lungs is a dome-shaped muscle called the diaphragm. Its main purpose is to allow you to breathe in air as well as exhale air. Now, here's a fun and interesting fact about breathing. Although we are mostly in control of how and when we breathe in and exhale air, every now and then we'll find ourselves doing something called yawning. This typically occurs when you are sleepy or drowsy and the lungs do not take in enough oxygen from the air, which causes a shortage of oxygen in your body. Well, the brain senses this shortage of oxygen and sends a message to your respiratory system that causes you to take in a deep, long breath. A yawn.
Okay, boys and girls, that does it for this health education segment on...
Why?
For more health education information about your body, how it properly functions, and how to take the best possible care of yourself, stay right here at SooprKIDS.com under the health education section. Boys and girls, keep in mind that we are constantly working very hard to upload brand new content for you daily. That way things around here at SooprKIDS.com stay super fun, exciting, and fresh for you. I'm TJ, your in-home personal trainer. Until next time.